In today's video, I'll show you how to easily back up your emails from Zoho Mail. Whether you want to keep a copy for safety or free up space, this quick guide will help you get it done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. First, log into your Zoho Mail account. Once inside, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. Scroll down until you find Import/Export Emails. This is where you can manage backups. Under the Export section, choose the folder you want to backup: Inbox, Sent, or any other. If you'd like, you can also select a date range to export only certain emails. Now, click Export. Zoho will prepare your backup in a zip file containing all your emails in .eml format, which works with most email clients. Once ready, Zoho will send you a download link by email. Just click it, save the file, and your backup is complete. And that's it. A quick and secure way to back up your Zoho Mail in 2025. Stay organized, protect your data, and keep your inbox clutter-free. Like this video and subscribe for more easy tech guides.